All right, guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday, November 17th, and it's about 7:51. I actually got on. I was like, man, I need to pick something up. So I did, and this one's going to the airport. $30. So it's about 45-minute drive. I'll update you and let you know at the very end. Try and make as much as we can. We got a limited time today, but got to get out, make some. Let's go. All right, guys, I just finished that one, and that one paid me $30. All right, guys, let's go to the next one. I'm waiting for the next one to pop in. All right, I have my destination on. I'm heading back, and I'll update you when I get there. All right, so I just picked this one up, and this one's paying me $18.03, and it's 9 minutes to pick them up, and then 20 minutes to drop them off. All right, let's go. So I just finished that last one. It paid me $18.61, and that brings it to a total of $49. And I just picked up another one that was $7, but it's going to my destination that I want to go to. So I figure if I pick up two more, that's $10. That'll give me $70. So let's go. It's raining, so I'm not going to pick up very many. Probably a couple more. That's it. All right, guys. All right, guys, I just picked up this one. This one is going toward my destination, and it's paying me $30. Let's go. Shoot, that'll give me like an $86. All right, guys. I'll update you with the miles and with the time it took me to gather all that. But let's pick this one up and drop them off. Let's go. All right, guys, so that was my last one, and let's see. So on there, $86. That last one paid me $29.90. So total was $86 in 4 trips. Let's go, and it's 11:30. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the day. Got to get home, lunch, and Christmas decorations. Let's go. All right, guys. All right, guys, I just got this one. This one right here is 10 minutes to pick them up and 8 minutes to drop them off. And it is $13.80. All right, guys, let's go. First one, we got to pick them all up. I got my camera going, got my Uber light, and ready to go. Let's go. No complaints today. Today, we're going to pick up as many as we can. If I want more, I got to do more. All right? Just filled up my tank of gas, and 400 miles to empty. So let's go. All right, guys, I just finished that one. The first one paid me $6, and the last one paid me $14. It was like and some change. So total $21.25. All right, let's go. Those were 2 trips because a co-rider got picked up in it. All right, let's go. All right, I just finished my that last one right there. That one paid me $11.38, and so far I'm at 69, and it's 10:30. Come on, let's go. We got to keep on going. Let's go. I'm over here in Galveston. 6 trips, $69. Let's see where we go next. All right, I just picked up one, and this one is $30 to get us out of Galveston, and it's about a 40-minute drive. So let's go. All right, guys, so I just finished dropping him off. $32 it paid me, and he gave me a $20 tip, so $52 for that one. Now that one was an hour drive. Luckily I got that $20 tip, but shoot. So anyways, that puts me at 7 trips, 102, and it's 12:30. So what time do we start? 7:30? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, let's go. Quit complaining. Let's get some more. All right, we still got half the day. Let's try to make a couple $100. Let's go. All right, guys, I just finished that one, and that one was $11.79. Kind of get me where I need to go. I'm gonna use my last 2 final destination trips to get me where I need to go, okay? And let me take a look and see. Oh, I'll take that one. I'll take it because it gets me where I got to go. All right. No complaining here. Let's go. Oh, did I get it? I didn't. Ooh, here's even a better one. But, all right, let's take it. All right. So, let's go. We got this one, $12. These next couple ones may be my last ones, but let's go. All right. All right, so I picked up my last one. This one was a co-rider. So, one was like $12 and the other one was like $6. So it ended up being $20 for that last one. And that puts me at 138. It's $240. I'm picking up one more. It was a small one going to my area. It was like $6. All right, guys. I think that's going to be it. And then, let me see. So, there we go. So, that was total of 11 trips and $138. Fixing to pick up another one at $6. So, it's going to put me, what, like 144 or something like that. All right, guys. 144, 12 trips. And let's go. We'll do it again tomorrow. Man, if I was going to stay later, we could make some more. But all right, let's go.